Car insurance is something that almost everyone needs to have in place. It is there to protect you when you get involved in an accident and there are significant damages to your car. There are a few things that you need to do in order to get your car insured though. Here is what is needed for insurance for car cover. The first thing you need to get insurance for car cover is a car. Be careful what kind of car you get though, as some cars have higher risk profiles than others. The easier it is to steal your car, the more you are going to have to pay each month. You can decrease the risk profile of your car by installing things like anti-hijacking devices and other car alarms and trackers. These make it more difficult to steal the car and easier to find again if it is stolen. This all decreases the risk the insurance company underwriting your policy faces, and this is reflected in your premiums. Then you need a driver's license. The longer you have had a driver's license for the better. Most insurance companies will offer lower premiums to people who have been driving for longer periods. This is because the time spent behind the wheel is supposed to make you a safer driver, as your reactions will have been practiced and primed. The next thing to do is get hold of some quotes for insurance for car cover. This is going to give you an idea of what you can expect to pay for your car insurance. The lower you can make your risk profile, the better. Just do not be tempted to lie on your application forms. This is insurance fraud and is punishable by law. Also, make sure you give each insurance company the same information so that you get comparable quotes. Once you have your quotes and have tossed out the ones that are too expensive or not comprehensive enough, it is time to decide which one to opt for. The ideal would be the insurance for car cover quote that covers all the things you want it to cover and is still within your budget. This is not always possible though, and you may find that you have to make some sacrifices with regards to the amount of cover that you end up with. The last thing you need to do is contact the insurance company that provided you with the winning quote and accept the quote. Just make sure that you do so before the expiry date on the insurance quote. Getting insurance for car cover is really easy. All it takes is time and a little forethought. Try to lower your risk profiles as much as possible and then to get quotes from a number of different companies so that you have some quotes to compare. Once that is done, just accept the quote you like best and you are insured from the date indicated in your policy documents. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.